Hello guys, I hope all are good and this is the Karamalmi Campus of Metropolia University in Finland. So if you are thinking about the future, if you want to enhance your education, you want to enhance your knowledge, then you can join us in the Finland because Finland's education system is too good and here's the IT sector is too advanced. So if you are from IT sector, it's a good option for you. You can choose the Finland and also Metropolia University, and here the program diploma program is the best way because diploma is the pathway of our master. If we take the admission in the diploma program, so we need to pay fees for diploma, then for master. It's the fees process, we will pay the fees and it's the pathway of our master. It's the easiest way for complete our master in IT sector and industrial management also. So if you are thinking about enhance your knowledge and enhance your future, enhance your career, then you should try for the education, and Finland is the best place for education. So you should apply for the Metropolia University. Bye bye.